So to get involved with Sew Keighley Pride, you might need some tools and equipment. So you can order your patch kit through our website and Sew Keighley Pride FAQs, and it's a simple Google form where you'll be asked what colour stripe you want to do, if you need any embroidery hoops, if you need embroidery needles, and what colour embroidery thread you'd like. Here's what you'll get in your patch kit. So you'll have a hints and tips scene to let you know who you can celebrate in your patch, how big the patches are going to be, and give you some hints and tips as to the stitches that you can do. You'll get a template according to which patch colour you ordered. You'll get 2 pieces of fabric, so you can decide to cut them up and stitch them back together, or you can just use one. You'll get your embroidery thread that you ordered, a stamped addressed envelope for a cliff castle, some sewing needles, and your embroidery hoop. So you can go all out in decorating your patch.